Aztec Ruins National Monument. U.S. National Monument in New Mexico. The Aztec Ruins National Monument in northwestern New Mexico, U.S., consists of preserved structures constructed by the Pueblo Indians. The national monument lies on the western bank of the Onomus River in Aztec, New Mexico, about 12 miles, 19 kilometers, northeast of Farmington. Additional Puebloan structures can be found in Salmon Ruins and Heritage Park, about 9.5 miles, 15.3 kilometers, south. Archaeological evidence puts the construction of the ruins in the 12th and 13th centuries. The Puebloan-built ruins were dubbed the Aztec Ruins by 19th-century American settlers who misattributed their construction to the Aztecs. Aztec Ruins National Monument. IUCN Category 3, Natural Monument or Feature. Location: San Juan County, New Mexico, U.S. Nearest city: Aztec. Coordinates: 36°50'09" and 107°59'53" W. Area: 318 acres, 129 hectares. Created: January 24, 1923. Visitors: 52,756, in 2017. Governing body: National Park Service. The site was declared Aztec Ruin National Monument on January 24, 1923. Ruin was changed to Ruins after a boundary change on July 2, 1928. As a historical property of the National Park Service, the monument was administratively listed on the National Register of Historic Places on October 15, 1966. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, listed the Chaco culture as a World Heritage Site on December 8, 1987. That listing specifically included the Aztec ruins. The monument is on the Trail of the Ancient Scenic Byway, one of New Mexico's scenic byways. The property was part of a 160-acre, 65 hectares, homestead owned by H.D. Abrams, who supported the preservation of the ruins. The H.D. Abrams House in Aztec is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Climate. The climate of Aztec Ruins National Monument is a typical semi-arid climate. Climate data for Aztec Ruins National Monument, 1991 to 2020 normals, extremes 1895 present. Month: January-February. March, April, May, June-July, August, September, October, November, December. Year. Record high degree F, degree C. 69. 21, 78. 26, 86. 30, 89. 32, 98. 37, 105. 41, 106. 41, 105. 41, 101. 38, 92. 33, 77. 25, 69. 21, 106. 41.